All right, guys. I reached out to Fernanda Sandoval of that One Happy Classroom fame, and I said, hey, let's do a collaboration. And she's like, all right, what do you want to do? And so I'm like, you know those terrific unboxing videos that you guys all do? I want to do one too. And she's like, okay, like, what do you have in mind? And I said, well, what if we send each other a package of just like random things from our classroom, and then we can unbox it for a video? And she's like, that sounds great, let's try it. So I sent her mine last weekend, and she sent hers on I think Monday or Tuesday, and it just arrived. So, any guesses? It's kind of light. Weighs about a pound, I'd say. About 14 inches by 10 inches. Let's check it out. Look, it says Mr. N on it. That's me. Okay. I'm so excited. Oh. Whoa. Post office was expensive. Oh, hey. Okay, all right. First item, my unboxing. Oh, bubble wrap. I love it. It says, open me first. Okay, I love it. Check it out. It's got a little cactus on it. Look at that. It's pretty fancy. Okay, here we go. Oh, you pretty much rock. Why, thank you, Fernanda. I appreciate that. Let's see. Oh, wow. Dear Darin, I just wanted to say that I was so excited when you reached out to me for this collab. You've been such a great middleman in bringing the teacher tuber community together. In this box, you will find random stuff from my classroom, and believe me, they're random. You will also find things that I think you will actually get use of. Enjoy. Fernanda, happy face. Look it. How totally sweet was that? Okay. Tissue paper, like, who couldn't use tissue paper? I love it already. It's like Christmas. I love it. Okay. First item. Champagne. Every teacher needs emergency chocolate. How did you know? Ooh, look at this. Celebrations. Has Twix in it and Milky Way, Snickers, Bounty. I've never even heard of Bounty. Have you? I love it. I love it. Oh, what? How did she know? BB-8. Darth Vader. How did she know that? Can you see that? Darth Vader. That is so weird. Look at this shirt I have on right now. Can you see that? One of my students got me this shirt last year. She skipped school on May the 4th, and I always do a May the 4th Be With You celebration. And so she skipped school, went to Disneyland, but she brought Mr. N back a shirt. Fernanda, thank you so much. I love it. Okay. These are actually kind of cool. I use these for my centers. I didn't label any of my stuff. I didn't leave any sticky notes like this, but I should have. I'll open it right now. Ding, 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 ding. Whoa. Never actually played with one of these things. It's kind of cool. Just what I needed. Fidget spinner. What do you do in your centers with these things? You have the kids just sit there and spin them? That's so interesting. Thank you so much. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We have a lost sticky note. What's this one? Okay. I have a few of these in my prize box. Did somebody say prize box? Definitely the most popular item. What is it? Oh, it's for your hair. Okay, hold on. Should I open it? I'm gonna open it. This thing goes in your hair like so. I don't know if it goes exactly like this, but I shall do the rest of this vlog with this thing on my head. Okay, part of our classroom currency. I would totally do classroom currency, but there's no way that I could ever stay on top of that. What? Dojo Master 100%. What do I get? Can I win one of these with this thing? I love it. Okay, from our pirate days. What? Check this out. It's a pirate vest. I'm almost positive it's gonna split on me, but I'm gonna give it a go. Here. Oh. All right. It's a little snug. Okay. It's like never ending prize box. My kids love these. Grow your own crystals. What? Grow your own crystals? Grow your own crystals. 3 crystal colors. Dry them out and do it again. What? You can dry them out and then grow them all over again? Oh my goodness. This is fantastic. I love it. Okay, we have, I'm not sure. My kid, no, that's not that. No, I already did that from our pirate days. Cause why not? Haha, happy face. Oh, it works. There's a pen right here. Giant pen. Cause you're right, why not? This one doesn't have a note, but I love it already. Dinosaur, I think this is an eraser. I love it. This is great. Uh-oh, what's this thing? Because you seem to travel often. Okay, thanks. Cord valet, elastic closure bands to organize. Organize what? What is this for? Where do you put it? What? It's like a secret compartment. Just what you need to get through TSA. And look at these bag tags. You know, I totally, let's stick together. I totally need these things. You know why? Okay, I travel a lot. My bag is black, and I always thought, you know, why not get a different color bag? Why are the bags always black? So one time I got a different color bag, and like after one trip, it was totally marked up and dirty and black, and I thought, that's why they're black.
Well, duh.
So, this is perfect. Because the problem is, you have a black bag, everybody has a black bag, so you gotta, oh, look at Luggage Strap too. I always wanted one of these things, and I would never buy it for myself. And it says field trip on it. That is perfect, man. Let's see, what's this? To help you stay organized. What are you trying to say, Fernanda? To help you stay organized. Thanks. It's even magnetic. Wow, this is great. Let's see. What is this thing? I don't know. Like it's some kind of thing here where you... Oh, wait a second. Oh, my fingers are stuck. My fingers are stuck. No, really, wait, my fingers are stuck. Like, how do you... Hey. Have you seen one of these things before? It's a finger sticker thingy. I don't know what it is. More tissue paper. I love it. Wow. Now I get it. I get what the whole unboxing thing is all about and why you guys love it so much. Anyways, this was a teacher collaboration with that one happy classroom, Fernanda Sandoval. I can't wait for you to say my name on your vlog. And man, I love your channel. I love what you're all about. I love that you're a first-year teacher and you're vlogging. And how awesome is it that we get to go on that experience with you. If you are not already a subscriber to her channel, click in the link below. Go check out her video and all the things that I got for her to unbox, and subscribe to her channel, okay? Hit like, subscribe to me. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.